Hello, Bethany Sartell and Jesse Bliss here with the Sartell Bliss team in Coldwell Banker Realty. The recent tragic fire in our community has brought to the forefront the need for all of us to review our homeowners insurance policies. We strongly recommend you pull that policy out of the drawer, give it a thorough look over, and call your insurance agent.
It is highly likely that your dwelling coverage needs to be updated to fit the current market conditions. Dwelling coverage is the amount that your insurance company would pay you should you need to rebuild your home. Given the sharp increase in building costs complicated by supply chain issues and labor shortages, you want to be sure that your dwelling coverage matches today's prices. Determining an accurate cost to rebuild is not simple. We are hearing a range from $300, $350 a square foot, all the way up to $600, maybe even $700 a square foot to rebuild. The reality is an accurate number fluctuates and is somewhat personal. Be sure to weigh this carefully and determine an amount that you feel comfortable with. Using data points such as an assessed property value as determined by your county and sample costs from a local builder will help your case when negotiating with your insurance agent. At the end of the day, find an insurer that will work with you to formulate a plan that you feel comfortable with.
In addition to dwelling coverage, your policy may have extended replacement cost coverage. This additional coverage adds a percentage to your dwelling coverage should you incur a total loss and should you choose to rebuild. Less common but worth asking about is guaranteed replacement cost. While policy terms can differ, in general, guaranteed replacement cost coverage is coverage the insurance company says has the responsibility to rebuild the home even if it exceeds the dwelling coverage. Be sure to ask your agent about these options.
Another area of coverage that should be reviewed is your additional living expenses. ALE pays out over time any living expenses that you incur while you're not able to live in your home. In Colorado, it's the law that an agent offers 24 months of coverage. As the timeline to build has increased dramatically over the last 2 years, we strongly recommend getting the highest amount of ALE possible.
Don't forget to also review your personal property protection. If you were to take your home, turn it upside down, shake it out, everything that falls out is your personal property, including appliances. It is highly likely that if you were ever in the unfortunate circumstance of needing to replace all of your personal property, your insurance company would require an itemized list of everything in your home. Now is the time to walk through your home, narrating a video of your property. Open drawers, open cabinets, describe your belongings. If your personal property coverage needs to be increased, work with your agent to get the coverage that you feel comfortable with.
Finally, if you rent, we cannot recommend enough having a renter's insurance policy. It is needed to cover any losses to your personal belongings as well as the cost of relocation, temporary living expenses, including hotel stays and temporary lodging. And it will help secure a new property. Just like an annual checkup of your health, a review of your homeowner's insurance should be done annually.
We recommend popping on your calendar right now and setting yourself an annual reminder in January. Let us know if you need a referral for a trusted local agent. We know many. Have a great rest of your day.